Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you are doing well. So if you are watching this video, you are here to looking for the way to enable the old PayPal system. So like you can receive PayPal payment just by entering your PayPal email ID, and you don't need to connect your PayPal account directly. So in previous WordPress version, we have standard PayPal option where we can directly enter the payment PayPal email ID and you can accept the PayPal payment. But if I go to payment option, I don't see the standard PayPal option, and even if I will try to enable it through this icon, you see, it will allow you to connect using your account, not through your email ID. So in order to accept the payment directly using email ID, you need to install a plugin, and for that you need to go to Add New, and here you need to search for PayPal Standard. So you need to install this plugin. So once you install this plugin, then you need to go to again WooCommerce settings, then payment. Now you can see, now you will get the option of PayPal standard option. Now what you need to do is just enable it and click on finish setup. Now here you can enter your own PayPal email ID where which you want to receive. You need to make sure whatever you enter here, the same email ID should be here, and you need to delete this because it is showing my default username password, WordPress username password, that I need to disable it, and then I need to click on save. So automatically it will enable a PayPal PayPal payment gateway in my checkout. If you want to verify, just go to your website, go to cart page, then checkout. So you see I have PayPal option to select and pay. So hope you like this video. If you have still any doubt or issue, you can feel free to comment. I will surely help you. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.